This is Digital Anarchist at DevOps Enterprise Summit, London, 2019.
Hey, it's John Willis, Digital Anarchist and DevOps.com. Here we're at the DevOps Enterprise. So we've got another guest here to kind of talk about technology and ConnectALL.
Hey, I'm Andrew Fuqua, the Vice President of Products at ConnectALL.
Awesome. All right, so what does ConnectALL do?
So ConnectALL, we connect all the products in your value stream.
Yeah. So give me a little kind of...
Yeah, so, I believe that, DevOps is exciting for a lot of people, but, for every one person that's here excited about the conference, there's 100 people back at the office that their job's changing, their tools changing, and they're apprehensive. And so there's some changes to tools and technologies that are unavoidable, but if we can avoid inflicting certain change on our people where we can, that'd be a good thing. And then so that's what ConnectALL aims to do, is to move some data between systems so that, if your developers have a particular tool of choice and you need to introduce some other tool or for some other group, we can synchronize the assets. We can synchronize epics or issues or tickets.
So give me an example, kind of use case.
You might be maybe you're using Jama for your product managers. Maybe you're using Jira or version 1 for your developers, and maybe you're using ServiceNow or Sharewolf for operations. And we need to connect those things. You might want to sync epics from down into Jira from Jama, or you might need a defect to come in from ServiceNow. So we make those things happen seamlessly in the background.
So and connect in terms of sort of dashboard, or connect in terms of like API abstractions?
We sit in the background. So you set up ConnectALL, and so the end users in your application development or IT system don't even know that ConnectALL is there. That's one of the problems with marketing our product is that we're invisible. We sit silently in the background and make it invisible. Things show up in the queue, and you don't need to go log into another application, learn another application, use two different interfaces.
So I'm running sort of maybe maybe GitHub, and then I got sort of Jira, and then I have like Jenkins, and then I have some build process. So you would replace, say, maybe some of the webhooks or things like that, or like.
So there's lots of different integrations, lots of ways to skin the cat. Usually, though, when things get complicated is when you've got several tools and you've got multiple integrations to do. And then so trying to do several different plugins to make this whole end value stream work seamlessly, it can get kind of hiddenly expensive. ConnectALL is with one product we can connect all of these things. So I can see my change sets in version 1, for example, or from Quality Center, the tester can open a defect in that, and it'll show up in Jira for the developer.
So basically, again, it's an abstraction on the different disparate APIs or whatever mechanisms they have to communicate. You layer that on top to make it seamless.
Underneath, we're synchronizing statuses, synchronizing comments, synchronizing attachments. But moving, keeping issues or epics or defects in sync between these tools.
So it's kind of ironic. I remembered that we've known each other for a couple of years. We both live in Atlanta, but. So one of the things as I try to understand this product, I get sort of the connection. I think of some other products that are similar, but I won't mention them in this. I guess, but I'm still sort of getting, what does it really look like? Which you've kind of described. It's hard because it's sort of invisible. But how would somebody coming in who was asking questions like I'm asking, get up to speed, 0 to 60 with ConnectALL? Do you have sort of a portal or a place where there's somebody who's I'm not struggling, but I'm trying to see the invisibleness without sort of seeing the graphic or the design. Do you get my question? So imagine me coming in, somebody said, you should look at ConnectALL. And I'm like, okay, let me go to the website. How would I get up to speed pretty quick on figuring out how you guys?
I don't know. Like many products, we've got there's videos on our website and on YouTube and whatnot. We've got the website, but would be glad to talk to anybody. Just that's the whole idea, is that if you like to use Jira. Let you keep using Jira, and I'll sync the things in the background.
This is a hard problem And again, I can think of some other solutions that are trying to solve this because I didn't know that you guys, in fact, the same city, I didn't know that this is a problem that you solve because this is, we have so many disparate systems. We can't expect like every large institution to have to be able to write all the disparate API connections. These products are absolutely mandatory, I think, in gluing all, and they change every day, and there's new ones, right?
Yeah, like the UrbanCode demo that I just saw. Excellent demo, great product. What it's doing is it's bringing all that to the forefront and making a visualization of it. But ConnectALL, on the other hand, would be a good synergy and help get the data, help feed data from multiple systems that another product could take advantage of and visualize it. So we're not trying to provide a visualization. We're trying to make things seamless and easy under the covers.
The glue of making it easy to connect these things. Is this sort of a snap-in line?
Nope, it's not a plug-in. It's an integration hub. You would install it if you wanted to do it on-premise, or you can use our software as a service instance of ConnectALL.
But so when I mean like snap-in, if let's say the example where it's like. So the GitHub Enterprise, it's Jira, it's Jenkins, and it's, I don't know, Artifactory or something like that. Are those sort of known structures within your product? So you could say, okay, well, there's already an Artifactory kind of connector or glue. Or do I have to write some DSL that's native to your product?
So for most things, like for tickets, for tickets, we integrate with, I don't know, dozens of different tools, and we know how to pull the data out of those tools and sync them into other such tools. So things like change sets or issues or problems or defects or epics, those are the types of things that we synchronize.
So primarily focused, so not as focused on, say, the kind of the later pipeline stuff like a Jenkins plugin, or
not so much, other than the fact that there is a change set or there was a build.
Brilliant, and that's connected. Okay, all right, got it. What else should we know? What's the website? Where do people go to find it?
ConnectALL.com is a good place to go.
You're just with a couple of minutes. So you have so you're a Kanban, right? So you're pretty much have a pretty decent student of sort of like the way we met was to
it was 2012
WIP,
through the Limited WIP Society in Atlanta.
Talk about your just Kanban
and that's we still got that running. I've been sponsoring that meetup group for a while, and is still going. I'd previously, at that time, I was probably with Leading Agile. And was doing Agile transformation consulting.
Awesome.
So I'm still definitely interested and excited about the Agile and Lean space and DevOps as well. And so I've always loved being in the community, being involved with it somehow. And so I'm glad that I can now still with ConnectALL.
And how do people get a hold of you if you want them to?
Andrew. Well, let's see. That would not be the email address. A.Fuqua, F-U-Q-U-A, @connectall.com, or andrew.fuqua@oracy.com. It's kind of a parent company.
And since we haven't had coffee in Atlanta since 2012, let's make it a date to have coffee when we get back.
We'll do it, John.
Thank you. All right. Good.